Okay, so I was working on this AC in here. Okay, so if we take the red is the power line here to the red and yellow, the air conditioner should come on. The red and the green is the fan. So you take a jump across these, and your air conditioner comes on to the yellow, then it's basically you need a new thermostat. These new thermostats, you can see they've got a lot of different components in it, and some capacitors and stuff, so they could go bad after time. Definitely want to check your batteries. This one here doesn't have a battery warning light on it, so I'm thinking the batteries are good on this thing. It's a Honeywell. Just have to check on that, see if it's available, and or replace the whole unit and go from there. Okay, so here's the unit. The white is the heat wire, so if you jump red and white, it should heat. Between the common and the red there should be 24 volts, or between the red and the green, these other wires, there'll be 24 volts between there. Mainly it's between the red and the common. You should find 24 volts. If you have it there, you'll always have it here normally.
Okay, so we got a bet. So this is one AC